Hi everybody, this is Jessica and welcome to Behind the Vanity. Eyebrows have gotten so big in the last few years. Obviously I'm a natural brunette and I was brunette for many years, and I always felt like my eyebrows kind of lacked, and not so much being a blonde now they're, you know, dark and whatnot, but I was so thrilled when our eyebrows and applying eyebrows got cool, because I felt like I was the only one that did it, and now everybody is painting on their eyebrows, so it makes me feel so much better. Anyways, the methods that I'm going to show you today are the kind of the powder method. With you use a little like a angled brush and you apply a powder. Then the second method is going to be a pencil. You can use, you know, any eyebrow pencil. They've been making pencils for years, I guess. And then the third method is going to be the eyebrow kind of, I guess it's a fiber gel. It's kind of like a little mascara. I am the most familiar and currently use powder. Again, this is not testing any particular brand. It's just kind of testing the method. Let's get started. Also, it's important to note I'm just wearing some foundation, some bronzer, some blush, and eyelashes, and a little smear of some shimmery eyeshadow, because I just wanted to I didn't want to do a full face of makeup for this tutorial and take away from the eyebrows, but I did want to have a little bit of a canvas to kind of show you what the eyebrows look like. I'm probably just going to do one so you can see the difference. Also too, it's important to kind of have one of these tools. It's like a mascara brush. I mean, you can use an old mascara brush, just clean it and use it for your eyebrows. So if not, you can usually find brushes like these just about anywhere. So method number one is going to be the powder method, and this is a little eyebrow kit that I've had for years from Milani. I don't even know if they still make the Brow Fix brow kit. Wet n Wild makes one that I really like, but honestly, I often have a matte brown eyeshadow that I use, and especially being blonde or lighter haired, I can use like a medium or a lighter, kind of a medium light brown eyeshadow, which I have a ton of. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy a fancy product. You can, but really it's matte brown eyeshadow. So, and then something else you'll need is a little angled brush. And I have several, but I'm gonna use the one that's in this kit today. It doesn't need to be the best quality. It's just like a nice, dense, little angled brush to put your eyebrows on. I'll just dampen it like on a baby wipe just to give me a little bit more precise. I am going to use this is a light kit, so for me, I'm gonna use the darker shade. If I have one that's for darker or medium hair, I'll use the lighter shade. So it just depends, you know, use what makes you comfortable. Dip the brush into the powder and then just get started. Just kind of use little short strokes. You can even use both shades if you want to make it a little bit more dimensional, or if you're unsure about the darker shade. Try to go in the direction the hair grows and just kind of work your way down. Sometimes I'll use less product as I get up to the end. I'll use the most on the inner, and I'll use just kind of what I have left on the outside. This kit too also happens to come with a dark, a light, and a highlight shade. And feel free to use it. I mean, it's there to help your eyebrows. If your kit does not come with one, use a shimmery eyeshadow of sorts or a light eye pencil. Or you can skip it entirely. You don't have to do that. And then you can use one of these brushes to brush them into place. I think I just had a cat walk in the room. That's Sophia. She's 10 years young this year. And there you go. So as you can see, move my hair out of the way. Did this eyebrow with the brow powder, and this is just my natural eyebrow. So there you go, there's the powder method. Method number two is going to be an eyebrow pencil. This one I got when I was getting those beauty subscriptions. It's Chella, which I've never heard of. Tantalizing taupe eyebrow color, thin pencil, which helps, and it's retractable. I love anything retractable. But you could use a brown eyeliner, anything like that. It's nice that it's thin. It definitely helps give you a little bit more control, but like I'm just testing the method. Let's give it a try. With this, try to just, again, do little short strokes. Some people will even trace their eye line. I'll do that a little bit. I don't like to do that. I do like for my brows to look kind of natural. If you want a little bit more of a dramatic look, you can really, you can trace them and make them dramatic. I just try to create what I was not given, which I was not given really good eyelashes, and I was not really given really full eyebrows in context to being a brunette. They should be unruly, but they're not. I wish they were. I have to create what's not there. So there you go. This one I did, and this one I did not. And this is using the eye pencil, just gives a really nice effect. And method number 3 is going to be the fiber building gel. This one just happens to be the Benefit brand. I've also got one from Milani and Wet n Wild. But I'm gonna use this one. I got this, again, in one of those beauty subscriptions. This is not something I use very much, but I'm gonna try it for you today. So it's just like a little mascara, and apparently it's different than mascara. Apparently you can't, mascara doesn't quite do the same thing. It's a fiber building gel or something. Yeah, fiber building gel. So it's supposed to just kind of help build your eyelashes, not just color them. So let's give it a try. And this one's really easy because you just kind of brush it on the eyelashes you already have. And you don't have to really, I guess it's semi-foolproof because you don't have to worry about like shaping your brows. Seems to be working really nice and actually very, very natural. I guess if you want something that doesn't look painted on or drawn on, this is a really good way to go. So there you go. That's actually pretty, that's got actually the most natural effect. Actually makes me look like I was born with hairs there. So very nice. I like it. I might use that more often. And we used powder, the powder method, the pencil, and the fiber building gel. And honestly, you could use any one of these by themselves, or you could use any 2 or 3 that you like. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that use a pencil and a powder, or pencil and a gel, or whatnot. So anyway, 3 methods to get beautiful eyebrows. If there's a method that I have not shown you, or something that you would like me to try and demonstrate, please comment and let me know. Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Bye.